Yes, hello, yes, welcome back to another video with your boy Ian, aka Pro Legend, and I'm here to show you a trade that I took earlier on this today, and I'll not show you a breakdown, but we're still moving at 0.16 USD. Yes, that's a lot of money, but we're happy with it. The way I spotted this was like I did what I called reflective trading, like okay, let me go slowly. Let me start with my moving averages. I use EMA's expenditure moving average 50, and actually let me just look up here. This is 50 EMA, 20 EMA. The 20 is the blue one, the 50 is the red one. So now, yes, indicators are sometimes lagging, and that's pretty annoying. So let's first roll it back to let's move it back to this side. Let me show you one part. Let me show you like around here. The market started, by the time this crossover came, this crossover between the shoot, and some of you will see it that clearly. By the time this crossover here came, by the time that crossover there came, you would have entered from up here, like around here. You'd have entered, but it was in a consolidating state around here, but sometimes indicators are lagging, so you can't depend on them a lot. You have to depend on your support and resistance, like which this was a good resistance up here. So it was a major touch point for all candlesticks, which makes it a good sign to show. Let me put it there. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was a strong resistance that shows the market is going to drop, and of which it did. But then, I will not use my Fibonacci retracement skill here, but yes, that's why you meant to know your support and resistance, whereby this will guide you to know how you're trading and how you're doing this. Now, that's one thing you should know while using my strategy. You must know support and resistance. Yes, now let's come here to this trade I took earlier on. Yes, as I told you, you must know support and resistance, whereby same story here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not that kind of a good double bottom, but it's fair enough to show that that's a good support, and that was a good support to push the market up. But where I took in my trade, I didn't take it in. I took it from up here because I came in late. So right now this was an uptrend, came back and tested. So what I would basically do if you're a beginner, is spot the uptrend, this the reversal or the retracement back down and pushes back up again, and comes back down, pushes back again. Now what would be wise for you to do is get your Fibonacci retracement tool, pull it from down here, up here. Yes, up there. Look at the one point that was retested the most. Look at what point was touched the most. Now let's take our time and look at it slowly. Here, as in this retestment, this reversal, 0.23 was retested 1, 2, 3. It was crossed by these two candles, but let's count that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what I would do, I would wait for a confirmation candle. With this is the confirmation candle. By the long wick, I would tell that's going up. So now I would basically come in, going for my buy at this 0. Yes, it's little money, but it's better than having nothing. You should be grateful for what the market gives you, because not every time you're going to be removing 1K from the market. Not really gonna be like that. So now I would have got some cash from there, and then I go in for the next trade. Now the trade that I'm in right now, I got it from here. Now from down here up to up here. So from down here, from down at the last point, this push up to up here, the highest point, whereby, sorry for this, whereby the push back down, 0.5 was tested, Actually, let's go slowly. 0.382 was touched first, whereby it came back and was retested again and was touched again. So we're assured our next level right now. Right now we're in this trade because we are sure that it's coming. And I entered from around here. So I'm not hoping, I know the market is coming here. The market is coming here. So I even put my stop loss here. Yes, I put my stop loss here. And I know by the time it touches up, I've got my money and I move out. So yes, that's a review of my trading strategy. It's that simple, that easy. You don't need to go to a witch doctor that you even need to go to I don't know where, but it's all about patience. It takes time. Yes, it will take time to reach the millions. Yes, it will take time, but it takes time to start earning a lot. Right now, we at $5. We're starting with $5. We're at $5.17. So that's some kind of good money. You can move with it. So then, like now, let's go into another. Let's now then look at an empty chart that weekend USD card. Yes, okay. Let's look at this. Okay. Yes, this was some good time for us, but we missed this trade, but it's okay. You see, with this one thing, with Fibonacci retracement, you need a reversal. So like there's no reversal, but that's why I tell you, you must know like your support and resistance. You must know like your support and resistance. If you know that, you can even get in without being Fibonacci retracement, but not every time support and resistance will help you, because there are times the market defies that and does there's a market structure and there's market breakout. So if it breaks out and does that stuff, you must be patient and wait. Like now you must wait for a confirmation candle whereby this started, went down here, and went down. So then what I would do here, I would I would enter here because I was waiting for these confirmations. And I technically I put it here and I put it at the last point where it was pushed down here, the last push area, because it's a strong downtrend there. And I've got my good pips well counted. So now you see that, because I put it at the last area. If I'm using support and resistance, put my stop loss, put it at the last area, waited a small retracement like that. At least I know the market won't come back because I'm assured. Let's move on. Still with back testing, it helps you test your strategy. And if you're asking what do I use for trading, I use let me show you forex. I use forex for placing my trades, MetaTrader 4, and I use trading between the charts. Yes, if all of them are going to ask I trade indices, yes, I do. I trade US 30. I can really trade this stuff. I started last week. I'm not sure. Last week, I think. That's when I started trading indices or indices. I'm not sure they call them. Yeah. But then I'll be educating you guys more and more about the forex market, funny videos, lyric videos, all that stuff, prank videos, and it will be fun. Yeah, but I think we shall, in the next video, I'll explain to you guys indices and all that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends who want to learn forex. And I'll be holding Zoom lessons every Friday. Just DM me on Instagram if you're interested. I'll put the link to my Instagram in the description below. So I'll be waiting.